Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are about to head over to Walmart to do our Ibotta haul for this week. There are so many freebies. And again, I don't have any bonus that I'm working towards. So I'm going to share with you how you can use some coupons and some rebate apps to be able to save a ton of money. We have over $120 of products that we're going to be grabbing, and you know we're not paying that as a final out-of-pocket cost. So if you want to save money at Walmart and see some amazing coupon deals, definitely stay tuned. And if you're new here, welcome. Take a second, hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new easy deals that you can do every day almost, you'll be able to take advantage of them before they're gone. If you have an Ibotta rebate to head towards, then of course that's going to make these even better. I can't wait until my huge bonus has expired. There was no way I was going to be able to finish it, so that way I can hopefully start getting some Ibotta bonuses again to make these hauls even better. There is a printable breakdown, as always, in my haul videos linked below. All the different deals are posted there, and all of the different referral codes to the rebate apps that I use are also below in the description box. The good thing is about those, if you're not using any of them yet, they're all going to give you a welcome bonus, which can make your haul free, a big money maker, you name it, it just depends. So we have swag buck deals, shop kick deals. I do have a field agent job I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the aisle rebate program, fetch rewards, you name it. It only takes literally 5 minutes when I get back in the truck to submit my receipt to all the rebate apps though. So don't let the myth of it takes you so much time, all of this kind of stuff, discourage you from saving 75 to 100% on the products that you're going to be using, you're going to be buying anyways. So let's head over to Walmart and start taking advantage of some amazing deals and freebies this week. So as always, I like to start my videos with some freebies that you can do. You can grab one of these Remedy kombucha. I'm going to grab the peach. They're $2.50. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. Then you can submit to the aisle rebate program for $1 back as well, making it completely free. I do have the text aisle rebate program linked below in the description box. If you guys do want to sign up, you definitely can. There's also a lot of laundry product deals that we're going to do today, so I'm going to grab this Persil for $4.94. We do still have valid $2 coupons from the 10/17 save insert. Then submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. Makes your final cost $2.21. I'm also going to grab one of these all free and clear for $2.97. They're out of the ones with Oxy. We do have $1.50 coupons from the 10/24 save. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. Makes it just 97 cents. I'm also going to grab one of these huge bottles. I do have a field agent job that I'm doing. So they are $8.68. We have $3 coupons in the same 10/24 save insert. Then field agent is going to give me $2 back for reimbursement on the product and $3 bounty, which is going to give me back a total of $5. That'll make this big jug just 68 cents. That's why I love field agent so much. It adds something when you're already going to be at the store. So definitely download it, give it a shot if you haven't yet. It's a good way to make some extra money. Probably my favorite deal in the video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deal is. So we drank all of our Shandong this past weekend. We had some mimosas. So I'm going to do the deal again. It's $18.98. Submit to Swag Bucks for 1,500 Swag Bucks back or $15 back. You can do this rebate once a week as well. That makes it just $3.98 for a bottle of champagne. Here's a great rebate that gives you 2 rebates back. Savings with Sarah is the one who posted this and she tagged me in it. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these Ritz Crispers. Works out perfect because we're having a Halloween party, so we can add these with our charcuterie board. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. They're not tagged, but I think they're $2.94 a box. Then submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back each and $2.50 when you buy 2. That makes your final cost 93 cents per box. here's an easy deal with overage. So a lot of people ask me, is it worth it to order my coupon inserts online? Because I order them from BQ. So it's always linked in the description box of all my videos if you guys ever do want to order coupons online. So in the 1024 inserts, we got $2 off one coupon. They work on these Johnson's Baby Bar, which makes it free and gives you 8 cents of overage. That's why I always order my inserts, because I want to make sure that I'm getting the best deals. And you get a ton of freebies, some overage deals, some money makers, which definitely handles the cost of the inserts. Here's another all digital deal. I'm gonna grab 2 of these Greek Gods yogurt for $4.48, submit to Ibotta for $1 back each, and submit to Swagbucks for 500 Swagbucks on 2 or $5 back when you buy 2. That makes your final cost 96 cents for a huge tub of yogurt. I'm also gonna grab some of the Snuggle Super Care, has to be the Super Care variety, for $3.97. We do have $1.50 coupons from our 1024 save as well. And we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 back. This is my second time doing the rebate, so I'm gonna get another $1 bonus, making this just 47 cents, which is incredible for some fabric softener. Another deal you can do just using coupons is one of these Snuggle scent boosters, the 26 loads. They're $3.97. We do have $2 coupons, so it does not work with any Ibotta rebate, but it still makes it half off at $1.97. The Ibotta rebate works with this big one here at $7.97. You could use the, oh, I can't do it. There we go. The $2 coupon. You'd pay $5.97, submit to Ibotta for $2 back. Makes it $3.97, still not a bad deal. That's half off, and this one is a really big container. Another easy deal, no coupons needed, is on the Mueller's. So there's tons and tons of different varieties of pasta. Grab any type for $1.38, submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, makes your final cost 68 cents. This deal is also a limit of 5, so if you really want to stock up, I highly recommend it. Now, if you have the 1024 inserts, which I definitely recommend grabbing, you can get some super cheap CoverGirl makeup. You can grab one of the concealers or one of these face powders at $5.84. Use this $3 coupon from the 1024 inserts, then submit to Ibotta. That makes your final cost for the powder 84 cents and for the concealer just 94 cents. Now we're in the travel and trial section. There's a lot of different products that I'm gonna grab. And look, I'm so excited. Thank you guys for letting me know it has to be the fair to medium skin tones. These are $1.97, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 2. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. These are gonna be super cool to put in little beauty baskets and things like that for Christmas. Here's a big money maker deal. I'm gonna grab 2 of these Dove deodorants right here. I think I'm actually gonna grab 1 women's and 1 men's. Boop, there we go. They're 97 cents each. Submit to Fetch Rewards. It came back for 2,000 points when you buy 2 or $2 back. That makes it free. Then submit to Shopkick. You're gonna get back $2.89 for one of them. That makes your final cost free and a $2.94 money maker, which is incredible. Another Shopkick moneymaker. These are kind of a mess, but I'm gonna grab one of these Dove Men 2-in-1. I believe that's the right one for $1.68. Submit to Shopkick for 715 kicks, which is a total of like 2 something back. That'll make my final cost free and a $1.18 moneymaker. Everything is, of course, written out in the printable breakdown for you guys below in the description box. Okay guys, we're back in from Walmart. I'm finishing up this video at the house today. One issue with a coupon was the Dove Body Love coupon. Not sure why it wasn't working. I got the right one. And the cashier was like, oh, look, it says 1 coupon per purchase. And I was like, no, like I can use this coupon. She's like, no, you're only allowed to use 1 Dove coupon period per transaction. I was like, ma'am, I haven't used any other Dove coupon. She's like, oh, I thought these degree coupons were Dove coupons. I'm like, no, that's a degree coupon, not a Dove coupon. So she sat there and read the degree coupons for like 3 minutes. Though it said degree, not Dove, she still like thought it was the same thing, I guess. I don't know. So she was reading that coupon, like, okay, like, can you just put it through? She's like, oh, I don't know why it's not working, but you know, I mean, I guess I'll put it in for you. And I'm like, yeah, it's called the coupon is coded wrong. Like, it's not a big deal. I don't know, but yeah, it took her like a long time, like scanning it, like checking everything, like acting like it was something crazy going on. It's just a coupon that's coded wrong. Like, it's not a big deal. Anyway, so she put it through. That was the only coupon that I had an issue with. So I want to go over the totals and how amazing everything turned out. So I have 2 receipts. One receipt, I just did some of this Shopkick deals separate because I wanted to submit it when I got home. So here is the receipt. I wound up getting 3 of the Mueller pasta. Obviously you don't have to do that, but for that price, I'm definitely gonna stock up, which I definitely recommend for you guys. Here's the $2 coupon that she put through for me. Total is $85.38. Your total would be a little different. I did add 2 things of butter. We just needed butter, stick butter and spready butter. So I added that to the transaction. So let's go over our totals for the first receipt. That was $112 worth of products. So I submitted to Ibotta, got back $24.75. I will get a 50-cent bonus for the degree and a $1 bonus for the Snuggle Super Care. Then I submitted to Fetch Rewards, got back 94 points. I also submitted to Swagbucks, got back $20, no issues. It went through perfectly. You see the check marks, that means it accepted it and it's good to go. Submitted to Shopkick for a total of 1,400 kicks, which is $5.60. Field Agent, I'll be getting back $5 as well for the all detergent. Then I submitted to Aisle for $1 back. Then I did my second receipt, which is all of the travel size money makers. So it's just the Dove, 2 deodorants, a Dove hair care, and the bar soap. Total was $4.88 plus taxes out of pocket on this receipt. Then I submitted that receipt to Fetch, got back 2,050 points, which is $2.05, and submitted to Shopkick for 1,875 kicks, which is a total of $7.50 back. So the second receipt was a $4.67 moneymaker. So that brings my grand total of about $110 worth of products. Final cost is $14.95 plus taxes, which is amazing. Tons of laundry products and such, which obviously we use. I can also resell some of them. We got food products, you name it. I'm super excited. The Dove products and the baby products are gonna be going into the gift basket as well for the baby shower coming up. So definitely love all of the products and the deals that I grabbed today. If you guys have any questions, always drop a comment and let me know if there's any other amazing deals that maybe I missed, so that way we can all make sure we're taking advantage of them. Don't forget to smash the like button for me, and I will see you next time.